Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. Let's talk about the Delta Steamist SMP Series, one of the most trusted mid-range steam generators in the market. If you've been researching steam showers, you've probably seen names like Mr. Steam, Thermosol, Kohler, and Steamist pop up again and again. But here's the truth. The SMP series sits in a really interesting sweet spot. It's not the most premium generator on the market, but it's also not a budget or entry-level unit. It's right in the middle, and for a lot of homeowners, that makes it the smart choice. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how the SMP series works, who it's best for, what it does well, what it doesn't, and how to choose the right size for your space. Let's jump in. The SMP series is all about reliability and simplicity. It uses Delta's tried-and-true heating system, built to run smoothly for years without needing complex maintenance. The design is compact, wall-mountable, and made to fit inside a closet, vanity, basement, or utility area, ideally within 25 feet of your shower. One of the biggest strengths of the SMP series is the auto-drain system. This is a big deal because draining the tank after every session reduces scale buildup and extends the life of the generator. It's one of those features you don't think about until you own a generator that doesn't have it. The SMP series works with Delta's range of controls, but the two most common are the Delta Steamscape Deluxe control, which gets steam going in under 60 seconds, and the standard Delta Steamscape Classic controls with temperature and time settings. If you want aroma or chromotherapy, you can add those modules, but they're optional. This is where the SMP becomes appealing. You can start basic and upgrade later. This part is really important because choosing the wrong size generator is one of the biggest mistakes homeowners make. Here's the SMP lineup: SMP5, SMP7, SMP10, SMP12, and SMP15. The number basically relates to cubic footage. For example, SMP5 covers small showers up to 100 cubic feet. SMP7 is for 100 to 250 cubic feet. SMP10 and 12 is for medium spaces up to around 550 cubic feet. And SMP15 is for large luxury spaces above 550 cubic feet. But, and this is a big one, if your shower has natural stone, glass walls, or high ceilings, your cubic footage needs to be adjusted upward. If you want us to size it for you, you can do that anytime on Opulent Recreations. We do it for free, and it only takes a minute. Here's what Delta gets right with this lineup. Reliability. These units are known for running for years with very few issues. Delta Steam feels even, soft, and not overly aggressive. Good price to performance ratio. You get a premium feel without paying the ultra-premium price of something like Thermosol. Modular upgrades. You can add AromaSense, ChromaSense, or AudioSense modules if you want a spa-like experience. Strong warranty support, and since Steamist is now under Delta, parts availability and support are excellent. Delta Steamist is fantastic, but it may not be perfect for everyone. If you want the most high-tech control system on the market, fastest startup times, native voice control, or the most premium digital experience, then Thermosol's Pro Series or Mr. Steam's MS Series lineup may fit you better. And if your shower is extremely large, with heavy natural stone, Thermosol and Mr. Steam tend to have stronger output consistency in oversized spaces. You'll love the SMP series if you're looking for a dependable mid-range steam generator, a simple installation, a clean minimal control interface, a generator from a brand with decades of reputation, a spa-like feel without going over the top. For 70% of homeowners, the SMP hits the exact balance they're looking for. If you're building a home steam shower and don't need the highest-end luxury features, the Delta Steamist SMP series is one of the smartest buys in 2025. It's reliable, it's proven, it's well-priced, and it works with lots of optional upgrades if you want to customize later. If you want the SMP series for your home, or you need help sizing your generator, you can find everything on Opulent Recreations, or just reach out and we'll guide you personally. You'll find links to all our steam shower collection below in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more real-world insights or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.